okay, okay. Yeah. So this is how the tacos look with both sauces on. I got the Tapatio and the Trader Joe's salsa. So good. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat. All right. Welcome back to Jazzilulu TV. So today I'm gonna cook up some shrimp and fish tacos. This is wild caught whiting fish, and these are wild caught shrimp. I forgot from where, but the fish was $7 and the shrimp was, I think, $7 or $8. Anyway, I got the peppers. I got this garlic and herb Old Bay, and I got blackened Old Bay. I got my special ingredient, some basil, adobo. I'm only using a little bit of this, a little bit. I'm gonna put some Himalayan salt and pepper as well. Anyway, I'm gonna season this up, season it up. So this is what it looks like all seasoned up. I'm waiting for the pan to get hot. Then I'm gonna put it in a pan. It's looking so good with the bell peppers, the onions, all of that. It's gonna be so good. I love tacos, you know. Yes, being a Cali girl, I love tacos. They're so good. Yeah, they're just like the best sandwich. And you're like, girl, a taco is not a sandwich. Yes, it is. A taco is a Mexican sandwich, okay? Just like a pastelito is a Dominican sandwich. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and this is how the fish and the shrimp look in the pan. Smells so good. I'm gonna let this cook. Yeah, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I'm so hungry. But anyway, I'll be back. Alright, it's time to flip this. Let's see if I can do it good. Oh, how beautiful. And let's just mix this stuff up. Let's mix up the shrimp. Let's mix up this shrimp right here. I don't want to do this with it. I don't know why this side is. It smells so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. Okay. I taste it. That's what it's looking like. This is what it's looking like. And it tastes like it needs some butter, so I'm gonna put like a tablespoon in, then I'll come back. This is my favorite part of cooking, seeing how it tastes. And the most important part, so you could adjust flavors or it might just be good. OMG. OM mother sucking G. This is so good. The little bit of butter that I added just took it and elevated it to a higher level. It's so good. I'm gonna turn down and take it out, cook up the taco shells. But I am just so proud of this dish. It is so good. Even though I'm gonna transform this into taco shell. I would say the flavor of this, obviously you saw the seasonings that I used. This tastes like, it's so good, and I just love it. OMG, girl. Jazzilulu. Jazzilulu, you did your thing. So good, so beautiful. I'm about to cook these tortilla shells. Got the cheese, got the lettuce, plate it up, and I'm gonna bust it down and eat it up. Delicioso. Alright, so I cut up the shrimp and I cut up the fish, and I use the sauce from the rest of the pan to be on top of the fish because it's gonna be shrimp and fish tacos again. So I just thought I wanted to cook the tacos in here because I am not wasting all of this good seasoned flavor in this pan, girl, guy, y'all, people. So I'm gonna just cook the tacos in here, and they're just these. I usually like Guerrero, and I like what's the other mission? No, I like both. But obviously, the best tacos are homemade. But anyway, I'm about to put these in there, assemble the tacos. I'll be back. Alright, so I cook my taco shells a little bit different than most people. Like, since I want to get all of this, I cook this on this side, and then I started on this side first, but I want to get the seasoning and the oils off of this side because this flavor is so bomb, and I want to infuse it with the shell. So I put this one on top, then I'm going to flip it and then cook this side, but I'm going to take the one under out, if that makes sense. Alright, so this is how my tacos came out, and I got this from Trader Joe's. I'm going to add a little, and I'm also going to add some Tapatio. And I'm drinking Simply Lemonade with blueberry. So this is how the tacos look with both sauces on. I got the Tapatio and the Trader Joe's salsa. So good. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat. See you later.